Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to earn USDT in your Binance fully legally and easily. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, the easiest way to earn USDT is to go through your Binance application from here, and then you're going to make sure that you're at home. But before you do the following steps, make sure to double tap the top left section where the icon is, and then make sure that you are using Binance Pro rather than Binance Lite, simply because Binance Lite won't have the following options. Now, once you make sure that you have switched to Binance Pro, you're going to go and click on More. And then from here you can see below there are many options to go through, but the one that we're focusing on is Gift and Campaign. And then from here we're going to search for Learn and Earn, which is going to be on the right section. Click on it, and then from here is going to load you to Binance Academy page. Now from here you can see the activity rules and reward history. And simply you can earn free crypto through learning. From here you're going to scroll down and see all the options that are there necessary. There is BMT, there are all the other cryptocurrencies that you might want, and one over here is USDC. So once they add USDT, you can earn that, or you can earn whatever you have here and then transfer it back to USDT on your application. And there are many pages to choose from, and so one of your desired currencies will be one of these options. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.